Hey what's up guys, it's Banu here from androdollar.com. If you got yourself Samsung's latest foldable smartphone, either the Z Flip 3 or the Fold 3, and if you're looking for a new smartwatch for yourself, then look no further than the latest Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 and the Watch 4 Classic. These are the latest smartwatches from Samsung, ideally made for your Galaxy device. So in this video, I'm going to be unboxing the latest devices and show you guys what you get inside the box and what the experience is like if you use with a Galaxy device. We have the Galaxy Watch 4 in the rose gold color and the Watch 4 Classic in that classic black color. So let's go ahead and unbox both of these and start talking about the watches so that I can use them and bring you guys my experience after using it for a little bit. If you guys are new to my channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button right now. Let's get started with today's video. So first off, I'm going to take my trusty unboxing knife and I'm going to go ahead and unbox the Watch 4 Classic that we have over here. As you can see, it's a sealed box. So I'm going to go ahead and break it out like this. I'm going to move out my foldables to the side and get this. So here we have the latest Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. Wow, it looks pretty nice actually. It has that rotating bezel as well. It feels pretty smooth, and boy, I'm really excited to try this one out. So here in the box we also get the leaflets and all of that. So I'm gonna quickly open this and show you guys what we get. So we get a leaflet with all the information on how to connect, and inside we have this little pouch, and that has the charging cable. So we get this charging cable. So if you have been using Galaxy watches before, you must be familiar with this charger. Even I brought you guys a couple of videos on Galaxy watches before, so I'm pretty sure if you have been a regular viewer of the channel, you must have seen this one before. So this is the Watch 4 Classic. So I'm gonna move it to the side for now and get into the Watch 4. So this is the Watch 4 in gold color, again a sealed unit. So I'm gonna go ahead and break open the seal and get into it. So let me quickly do that, just like that. Since this is a gold watch, here on the side of it says Galaxy Watch 4 in gold, and here again I want to quickly look at the leaflets that you get here. So pretty sure it's almost identical. We get that quick start guide, the document here on one end, and on the other end we have that other little pouch. So I'm going to take it out, pulling it out right now. So here we have the charger once again for the Watch 4 as well. So I'm gonna keep that also to the side over here and show you guys the watch. So this is the Galaxy Watch 4. Boy, this one also looks pretty nice, doesn't it? So these are both of the options that you get from Samsung this time around. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn both of them on right now. Just like that, now we have the Samsung logo popping up and it's booting up. So these are ideal, let's say if you and your significant other can use it like this. For someone who's using the Fold 3, maybe the Classic is a better choice. Or for someone who's using the Flip 3, the Galaxy Watch 4 might be a better choice. What do you think? Let me know down below in the comment section, or you can reach me out on social media. I am at Andro Dollar. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to be using the watches, both of these watches, along with the smartphones, the buds and all of that. I want to experience these a little bit and once I get the feel of this device, I will bring you guys my full review on these devices. So stay tuned for that, coming very soon. So once the device is paired, once the device is turned on, you can actually get started with the pairing process here if you wish. So I have to experience this product before talking about it, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use this a little bit and bring you guys an upcoming video on my experience with all of this. So with that being said, guys, if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to the channel, go ahead and drop a comment and let me know what you guys want to see in an upcoming video. And definitely follow me on social media, because that's where I put all the behind the scenes and all the teasers for upcoming videos as well. You can find all the links down below in the description. So with all of that being said, guys, until I see you guys in my next video, this is Barno.